Game number 1 of UAP Season 75 Women's Volleyball. Nakausad na po ang Ateneo dito ng dalawang set kasamang Ian. Let's look at some of the numbers.
Wow, look at this. 10 attack points for De La Salle. Look at the blocking department. 3 and only 2. Almost even. Service aces 3 and 1 lamang dyan. But look at the unforced errors. 12-3. Halos ipinimigay yung kalahati ng De La Salle.
Okay, ngayon, meron tayong special guest.
Ano ba yan?
From
Ano ba yan?
Ateneo, now we have from the DLSU Lady Spikers, 3-time champion Stephanie Mercado. Welcome to the panel, Steph.
Hi, Boom. Hello.
Affectionately known as Paning Mercado in the volleyball community. Okay, Stephanie, tell us, what are your thoughts dun sa unang dalawang set? Ano nangyari sa La Salle? At nakabaon sila ngayon dito.
Yes, I remember dati kasi when I was still playing, we used to call ourselves Team Diesel.
Okay.
Sobrang tagal namin mag-init. So, hopefully, this third set, magising na sila and then fully warmed up na sila or yung laro nila lumabas na talaga. Kasi medyo nag-hold back pa sila, hindi nila malabas eh.
Anong explanation dun sa mga errors na nakita mo kanina? 12, you saw the number on your screens.
Yeah,
12 errors.
Feeling ko, medyo ano lang sila. Nararattle sila ngayon, knowing na malaki na yung lamang ng ado.
Yeah.
So parang hindi na nila alam kung paano na sila gagalaw.
Are you seeing anything different dun sa laro ng Ateneo rin?
Napapansin ko sa Ateneo ngayon na sobrang, ano sila, all out sila. Lahat nagko-contribute.
Yeah.
Sobrang pansin sa kanila na all of them are really working, playing hard para manalo sa championship game nito.
But then what do you think about the level that volleyball has risen to? Can you imagine yourself like when you were playing, filling up the Araneta Coliseum?
Yeah, actually dream yan ng bawat
Yeah.
players eh. Na makalaro talaga sa Araneta. I remember back then when I was still playing like year 2005, first year college ako. Sabay pa yung game ng men's and women's volleyball sa UP gym pa yun.
That's right.
Inabot mo pa pala.
Yes, inabot ko.
CHK.
Oh.
First year
Human
ko pa yun.
kinetics.
Oo. Tapos ngayon, parang sobrang boom na siya. Sobrang puno yung seats
Venue,
natin
no?
ngayon.
Oo. Kahit saan man maglaro, kahit San Juan, kahit MOA, kahit dito. Talagang pinupuntahan at saka ang daming lumuluwas.
Oo,
Pinapansin mo
sobra.
pa rin, ang daming lumuluwas. In the meantime, tatlo na yung lamang dito.
And it seems that Ateneo even has the edge in blocking. Hirap na hirap umupensa ang La Salle pa rin, ano? Hindi sila makaset up ng play.
Yun nga eh, parang feeling ko rin kasi nag-start yung play sa receive.
Yes, very true.
Kung hindi maganda yung reception,
Yes.
mahihirapan sila mag-set play.
Correct.
I'm sure, Paneng, kung papayagan ka lang mag-uniforme ulit, isab ni Coach Ramil, you'll do it, right?
Yeah, sobrang nakakaingit din.
Yeah,
Kasi-
totoo.
Kasi ang laki na ng laki na ng volleyball ngayon. So, kaya nila yan. Nakakabawi yan.
Ayan.
Free ball for La Salle here. They're down 3. Marano asking for it, but it is Galang who puts it away.
Galang, she really has to, get back her normal kind of play. Sabi natin, very aggressive. A reigning rookie of the year has scored double digits in most of the wins of De La Salle. They gotta do better when it comes to feeding Aragalang those outside sets.
Alam mo, nakausap ko si Abby about Coach Ramil, pero ikwento ko yan mamaya. Gusto ko tanungin si Stephanie dito. Paneng, anong sikreto ni Coach Ramil? Why is he so good at what he does? Ano ang meron siya na wala sa ibang coach na under ka?
Napansin ko lang kay Coach, dati, pag nakita niya talagang may potential yung player niya, hindi niya talaga titigilan na turuan ng turuan. Sobrang patient niya.
Matyaga.
Oo, patient and syaga. Kahit minsan hina-high blood na siya, pero turo pa rin siya. Imagine, sobrang dami namin na hawak niya.
Tama,
Pero
tama.
sobrang patient niya magturo.
Malamang kung kami ni Buman tinuruan, nag-retire na. Wala. Ganito ka agad nag-retire na.
Pero it's not only that, Paneng, napapansin namin, ang galing niya mag-recruit rin ng player. Yung team niyo ngayon at napapansin namin, laging meron kumbaga dalawa na magaling sa isang posisyon. Parang ganun ba yun kahit dati pa?
Honestly, nung naalala ko, nung captain pa ako noon, nakipag-tune up sa amin, parang NCR team for palaro, and then
Yes.
nakita niya si Ara doon. Second year pa lang si Ara ni-recruit.
Wow.
Not necessarily nag-graduating ka, tsaka ka i-recruit.
Yes.
As early as second year, nakaka-recruit na siya ng player.
Yun na nga, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba si Abby, third year naman,
year.
high school, inaabangan na niya. At ito yung napag-uusapan natin, the reigning Rookie of the Year, as we go to Selena Dagdag muna sa Ateneo side.
Kung kaya nyo dali ng bola sa gilid, yun ang gawin nyo. These were the first words of Coach Roger in the huddle upon getting the ladies together. Dagdag pa ni Coach Roger na sana daw ipagpatuloy nila ang performance nila sa reception nila kasi pag maganda daw ang pag-receive sa bola, tuloy-tuloy na rin ang execution ng counter-attacks na pinlano nila. Dagdag ni Coach, huwag kayo ma-over-excite. Pagtsaga-tsagain na lang natin tong third set at makukuha rin natin to. Boom and Ian?
Thank you, Selena. Steph, do you want to say anything to your thousands of fans for LaSalle and your personal fans also before we let you go?
Sobrang thankful kami. Like, sobrang grabe yung suporta ng mga tao. Sobrang kahit lumuluwas pa sila, malayo sila, or kahit di sila makanood ng live, andyan sila palagi na nanonood. And then, sobrang salamat din sa mga sa pag-understand sa mga players. Kasi yung iba kasi minsan pag sinabing pangit laro, parang kung ano nila sinasabi.
Yes.
Pero at least ngayon, nakikita natin na sobrang dami nila na sumuporta ngayon dito para sa team.
Salamat sa oras mo, Pereng. At saka, ayan, kaway ka muna dyan sa mga fans mo. And kamusta mo kami sa mami mo, ha?
Yes, I will.
All right. Stephanie Mercado, former captain, three-time champion for the UAP of LaSalle Lady Spikers. We'll take a break muna. Mabalik tayo dito. Abante po ang Ateneo ng 5. 17,480 in attendance for game number 1 of the finals, best of 3. At mataas na mataas po ang kumpiyansa ngayon ng Ateneo. Kung ano naman taas ng kumpiyansa nila, ang baba nung set yun para kay Mika Reyes.
For Mika Reyes, that didn't even cross or go up to the height of the net. So wala, no way of Mika getting that over and across the net. And De La Salle, really, tama yung sinabi mo kanina, Buma, parang hindi sila yung usual De La Salle squad that's really confident, that's organized. And on the other hand, itong Ateneo working very hard. Even si Paneng noticed it.
Oo, napansin niya, no?
Ibang Ateneo yung nakikita niya, tagang bigay todo dito sa laro na to.
Energy. LaSalle, though, is not out of it. If you are going to count out LaSalle, you will be a fool to do so. They've done it before. They're looking to do it again. Let's check in with Billy Capistrano first.
Boom, there's something terribly wrong going on the green side of things. And Coach wants this fixed as soon as possible. Now he is questioning why the girls look so lost and confused on the court when he knows that they know what to do. Sabi nga niya, napakasimpleng bagay, bakit hindi pa magawa? Now the girls are far from losing hope. That fighting spirit is alive and they will not hand this game to the Lady Eagles. The girls will muster every ounce of strength and courage they have in order to get back on track. Hindi sila magpapatalo ng basta ganyan-ganyan lang. Boom and Ian?
At yun naman ang inaasahan natin. At nakita na natin kasi yan eh. Yun ang masaya sa may ganyang kang experience kasi may paghuhugutan ka.
Yes. Marami ng ganitong games nila rin ng De La Salle. For the side of Ateneo, they also know how it feels to win first two sets and lose the match.
Yes, that's right.
Alam na rin nila yan.
Kaya kailangan din nila, kumbaga kung kaya mo nang bugbugin, huwag mo nang paabutin ng fourth set, yun ang kailangan mo gawin. As they say, yes, for the side of Ateneo. As they say in English, diba, put your foot down on the gas pedal already. A very quiet afternoon for the #1 scorer of the league, and yet her team is ahead 2 sets and 6 points here in the third set. So it only tells you that it's a collective effort for these for the Lady Eagles.
Another low set there from Reyes. Hindi niya napalo ng gusto. This one goes out off the block. No touch from the block.
No, they're looking for a check ball, non-given.
Good try though to sell the call, but it
doesn't hurt, ano? It doesn't hurt.
Masama eh.
Then Lazaro, who has still 2 more years to play for Ateneo on your screens. This girl only on her second year for De La Salle. Down 5 serving 10. Ferrer, that's a battle she will never win.
Yes, against Abby.
Against Abby Maraño. Maraño, look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
It's the way.
I'll tell you something about her. When I asked her why are you the captain this year? And anong nakita sa'yo ni Coach Ramil? And she says, ang pakiramdam niya nakita ni Coach Ramil is si Abby is like a pit bull. She's a persistent player. If she wants something, she latches onto it until she gets it. Ganun daw yung ugali niya na pag sinabi mong hindi mo kaya, kakayanin ko. Pag sinabi nyo matatalo kayo, papanalunin ko. Ganun daw yung ugali niya. Kahit noon pa sa probinsya, kahit nung high school naglalaro siya at natuto siya ng volleyball, hindi mo kayang i-block yung lalaki. Kinakaya niya. So yun ang nakita daw ni Coach Ramil. Sabi niya, ikaw ang magiging captain this year.
So, hindi yung mga hair clips niya.
Hindi.
Kasi ako, she gets my vote. Yeah, just looking at those hairs.
Abby Maraño again. Oh, great pickup by Ferrer. De Jesus sends it to the other side. Esperanza sets up Q. Lazaro's there. Panglet keeps it alive. Ferrer for the free ball for the LSU. Esperanza back to 2. Panglet pots it back.
Libre yan!
Oh! She mistimed it.
Oh, wow. I was already excited. Sabi ko, libre yan.
Regalo
yan.
Malaking regalo. And look at her. She mistimed her jump. She pulls it back. And a point goes to Ateneo. So not only are Ateneo playing well today, nabibiyayaan pa sila kasamang iyan.
Errors. Again, kita natin 12 in that second set.
Another one.
Oh, Abby Maraño. Again, that set not really the best to give Abby. She was on her way down as well. So the timing between setter and attacker, that's the problem right here. Ayan, no choice for her but just to wait for it. And even though she sent it across, nandun naman si Jem, nakaabang. So all these plays from De La Salle really not working and not producing points for the Lady Archers.
And the defense of Ateneo, Doc, the defense, Kainglet hits the net. Coach Roger, Kainglet hits the net. So the point is given to Ateneo before the ball. Hindi na natin kita dyan, pero yun ang itinawag ng referee. And then Herbacio will talk to our first referee here.
Yeah, sometimes, you know, may konting leniency yung
Correct.
refs eh. Pagkadating doon sa mga net touch, especially it doesn't affect the play. Lalo na yung pababa na yung bola. So, I think Coach Roger is trying to make that same point to the refs.
Are you saying, Ian, in terms of that, it's something judgment call? Judgment call.
Yes, the leniency is there.
Yes.
But again, you cannot argue dahil nag-net naman talaga. So, sabi nga ni Coach Roger, pababa na yung bola nung nag-net eh. So, wala nang kinalaman yung net dun sa resulta ng play. But again, the fault sticks. The referees are right. Talaga naman nag-net. So, let's give it, let's leave it at that.
Nangihinayang sa puntos ito si Coach Roger. And you understand why. Even with a 2 sets lead and a 4-point lead here, he knows who they're up against. He knows the capability of La Salle. That's why nangihinayang siya. Gretchen Ho! Wow! Yung sabi niya, di ba? Sa training, itong huling linggo, naluluha daw sila. Siya daw yung nangunguna. Dahil nagiging...
Pinakamababaw ang luha.
Oo, nagiging sentimental daw siya every time training is
Ito
done.
na naman, yung ating best server of this first game. Especially in that second set.
The captain, back at it. The lead is 5.
Wow, captain play by Gretchen.
And that's what has been the difference here today, Ian, for Ateneo. Look at that. That's the difference. They've been just so active on their floor defense and coverage. Maraño puts that one away.
Right, that was a power hit from Abby Maraño. Even though it was deflected by the block, just the strength in that hit gave it that
Perfect
extra.
set. Perfect set by Gilman. You know, we haven't even mentioned Valdez's name a lot here in this game. She's not even on the floor right now.
Parang ang pinagpapahinga.
Parang, ano?
Manood ka na lang. Oh, service ace from Fajardo. They badly needed that one. Now they have the momentum. Let's see if they can build on it. Start a run. Back-to-back points now for De La Salle. They're still down by 3.
Where's Valdez? You saw Kim Fajardo earlier. Only 7 points today in total. Alam mo ba? Si Kim Fajardo, di ba? Alam naman natin yung teammate nila sa UST, no?
Yes.
Ng high school. Elementary pa pala. Elementary, magkasama sila sa Bataa.
Wow.
At bangko daw si Valdez. Si Fajardo yung naglalaro. Balikan natin yung kwento na yan mamaya. Makinig muna tayo sa timeout.
Jen, resiban nyo maigi. Napaka-critical ng reception. Tayo din. Ay, Phil, wag ka nang bumaba dito. Hayaan mo na lang si Tendon niya. Dito ka na lang. Dito ka, Jem. Dito ka, Jem. Dito ka. Ha? Huwag ka na magtago dito. Lumabas ka na dito. Ha?
The lead is down to 2. So let me just finish that story. That ikwento sa akin ni Eliza. Sabi niya, si Kim Fajardo, on your screens, teammate niya,
Si
when they were
Elementary pa.
when they were representing Batangas, dun sa Spataha, which is parang yung palarong, prior to the palarong
Yeah,
pambansa.
regional, ano nila,
Correct.
meet.
Oo. Siya yung babad. Si Valdez daw, yung
Hindi pa.
bangko. Bangko nga, sabi niya.
Bangko pa.
Bangko siya. So matagal na silang magkakilala sa Batangas in elementary days.
Pero pag si Eliza naman ang tanungin mo dyan, sasabihin niya, si Kim naman yung bangko.
Hindi, si Eliza ang tinanong ko. Kwento ni Eliza yun. Hindi siya katulad mo, Dok.
Natin dalawa.
Lamang ng isa. Ang Ateneo, naibaba na. Ito na yung habol, kasamang iyan.
Yan
Ng
worried
Lasal.
look on Coach Rogers' face.
Oo. Kim Fajardo. See, let me clarify that. It was Eliza Valdez who told me that story.
But now they're on opposite sides of the floor.
Yes. Galang!
Ito na.
Ties the ball game at
Eto
13.
na. Ito yung sinasabi natin. This girl cannot, she's gonna find a way to score. And she's proven that in previous games. Tama yung pinag-usapan natin, Boom. Ateneo, they know what happened in the first round. They
That
were
was
up
in
to
set number 3.
Oh,
And coincidentally, Ateneo only scored 13 points in that set. Galang has 8 points here in this match. Kainglet, binalikan.
the coverage again still there for Ateneo. Oh!
And now it is the turn of LaSalle to turn it up. The crowd here at the Big Dome.
First time in
They
this
get a lead, yep.
set.
Ayun na, nagising na ang mga fans ng defending champions. Maraming salamat muli kay Stephanie Mercado at Cara Acevedo
Thank you.
for making themselves available for this game. And it's a 2-point lead. 15-13. The tide has turned.
And now it's the turn of the fans of De La Salle. Kanina pa sila tahimik hindi mapakali.
Parang,
Diba?
oo.
Now,
Ano ba? Ito ba yung sinasabi ni Paneng na diesel?
Oo,
Ito na yata
yeah.
yun. Umiinit na.
she predicted it.
Yeah, she did.
Let's give her that.
Well, she's not a 3-time champion for nothing, right?
She's
Parang
part of
ikaw.
that team.
Parang ikaw.
Thank you.
Oh, Jem Ferrer saves that. But LaSalle goes to Abby. Coverage was there. Denden. Kainglet. Goes to the block. That's still alive. Chance for Ateneo.
Long rally.
Uy!
Oh! Libreng-libre si Jem. And look at the stare down she gave Maranyo.
First of all, that was a bad reception by Herbacio, Doc, na sinalba ni Jem Ferrer.
Look at
Ang
this.
lapit sa net eh.
Look at Jem after this. She will look at... Nagulat si Fajardo.
Nagulat sila lahat. Hindi nakatalon yung blockers.
And Kainglen had to pull her back because she was saying already words, to Maranyo.
Kasama sa laro yan. Gumabaw. Delayed by the block. Valdez is back in the front line. Gohing is doing
Nice
what she does
dive.
best. Galang again. Valdez sent back. Ferrer pushed. Kainglet. Chance for LaSalle here. Back and forth
Oh,
action.
mababa yun.
Back and forth
Another low
action.
set.
Galang again.
Ara Galang. This girl, I don't believe she's just a second-year player. Ara Galang scoring that point to get De La Salle the second technical timeout of this third set. All right, the Araneta is rocking right now. The De La Salle fans coming to life. Having fun right now. Kita natin, nakahabol ang De La Salle. At ngayon, lamang pa ng dalawa, 16 to 14. Let's see if Ateneo can, again, they have to close it. You know, if you're talking about Ateneo, you can't give De La Salle that glimmer of hope. But De La Salle, as we said, they know what it takes. They've done it in the first round. They were in the same situation before, down by 2 sets, and then finally closing out that match in 5. 16-15. Filtering that with the serve. Good reception from Gohing. Back set. Going to Gumabaw and she scores.
So the lead is 17. Nagising itong kupunan ni Coach Ramil de Jesus na sobrang dami na palitan ng tao, naghahanap ng kombinasyon, naghahanap ng momentum. This girl has been probably the only consistent from start to finish so far. Ferrer, medyo nagiging faulty yung reception natin dito sa third set. That's out.
All right, Q finally getting a break because she has been blocked earlier. She's been so unfortunate, especially meron pa siyang mga errors kanina, regalo na. Nag-net pa siya, no? But this time she hits it off the block of Eliza.
The crucial third set.
Dito nagkakaroon ng ano
The swing set. They call it the swing set. Either Ateneo finishes it, or Coach Ramil and his girls, very proud girls, defending champions, come back. Jem Ferrer, 18-16 is our score. Bumalik ang bola sa Ateneo. Valdez, that's too wide on the angle. Looking for a check ball, but not given. So the lead is 3. Ang Ateneo naman ang naghahabol ngayon, pero lamang po sila. 2 sets to love. And a service error. As Gretchen Hall marches back for Ateneo, Denden Lazaro sits down. Liza Valdez on deck. In a quiet afternoon for her, she hasn't had a reason to make a lot of noise because her team is playing so well together. And a great serve by the girl they affectionately call Baldo. And the lead is only 1 now as Coach Ramil will call a timeout.
Tumigil ka ng kapituloy sa score. Ito kasi, di ba?
Ako to.
Ito si Ella. Gretchen, pasukin mo dito. Ella, dyan ka muna ha. Hindi, ayaw mo yung mamaya sa reception. Dito lang. Pumasok ka, Gretchen. Pumasok ka lang, Ella ha.
Pasok sa pala.
LaSalle, the Spikers, in the lead by 19-18 so far. Valdez continues to serve. Budgie Bar, Obar Sasaya. And a good serve. And Ateneo climbs back, ties the game. Abby Maraño will move out for DLSU. It is Cian Cruz who comes in for defense now. As Valdez continues to serve. Matagal-tagal na rin. Mga tatlong serve na rin to si Ali Valdez. The chance of MVP from the crowd of Ateneo. Kala ko sa basketball ko lang naririnig yung mga ganyan. Uy, nagdalawang isip si Q. Jesus. Na tayo 19. Reyes.
Finally, a set that he likes. That was the right height for Reyes. Although it was a push, but still, she got the right set. Yan, lumampas ng bahagya sa net and perfectly timed. That power tip was enough to get them the lead, 20-19. Very tight. This is very, very crucial right now.
Yep. It's amazing, as this serve goes out, that she's getting the loudest cheers from LaSalle, but also getting the boos from Ateneo. Yun yung katapat lagi, no?
20 all.
How about De Jesus? This is the most that she's played this season.
She started it.
And it's in the finals. triple block doesn't work. So now we are at that point, Doc. Kapitan na ito, 21-20. Patibayan na ng dibdib dito sa dulo.
I'd like to say, Boom, this time no excuses.
Yes.
Both of these teams,
Yes.
they're a veteran. Ateneo is now a veteran team. Itong De La Salle, they have won a lot of championships. No excuses. Hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin na hindi sanay sa ganitong venue.
Correct.
Hindi ganito sa sanay sa ganitong pressure. Not this time.
Again, they have been the two best teams in the league for the last 2 years.
Yes.
Arguably the two most popular too, as Gervasio gets them on even footing now, 21 all, and she's serving right now here in the third set.
Let's see how she serves this one.
Ooh! Law of averages, my friend.
And the De La Salle fans right behind Z were up with joy.
Yep.
You know, that ball hit the
Yep.
net. Because they know how deadly Z can string up 4 or 5 service aces in a row.
Roger Gurev looking on. Fajardo with a great serve. Gurev.
Naku,
Reverse set.
That's not going to work. That was too close to the net.
And Coach Rogers' team down by 2. La Salle ahead and 2 points away from coming back here.
Saan ba si Phil? Sa gitna pala si Phil. May pinilit ko kay Diretz eh. Saan? Aldo! Papasok ka ha. Guys, nalagyan natin ng backline dito ha. Ha? Ela, nasa ka. Pagkasipan natin, dalawa lamang nila ha. Isipan niyo maigi ha. Para makabis natin. Phil! Listen, dito lang. Dito lang. Ako pa lang. Dito ha.
Patingin lang natin yung mga kapamilya natin sa buong Pilipinas na nanonood. Mga Ilocano na imbag nga daw. Imbag na malem kadayako amin. Agyaman na pisuporta yo amin iti UAP. Everybody, mga Ilocano natin kapamilya. Dami kanina yung mga Ilocano,
Yeah.
Pampanga. And everybody watching in Japan, Belgium,
all over the world.
Norway, Doha, Qatar, Dubai.
Outside.
Maraming salamat as La Salle commits a service error at a very crucial
Wow,
juncture.
what a read by Z Gervasio. That ball was just 2 inches off the line. And Fajardo with that crucial service error.
A former basketball player who ended up playing volleyball because there was no basketball program in Ika. He was the one serving earlier, talking about Gretchen Ho. Now a chance for La Salle here. They're up
Back
1.
set, nice set. That was a nice set.
Coverage was there though. Valdez, itinapik lang. Buhay pa to. Kalang again. Gervasio pops it right back up. Underhand set to Kainglet. Kainglet to the block. Maranyo asking for it, doesn't get it. It is Gumabao who gets it. And they are a point away from extending this set to a 4th.
I like the set though. Kita mo Gumabao, although she was behind the ball already.
Talent of Kim Fajardo, really.
Grabe. Dikit yung sa net. That set was one of the hardest to make.
We have some incredible talent. Volleyball at its finest, at its highest level here, collegiate volleyball.
Coach Ramil egging on the girls. We need only a point.
That's right,
A free
Regalo!
ball. And they get it! De La Salle wins set number 3.
To the delight of all the volleyball fans, because they want to see more, Doc Ian. Ateneo,
Wow.
is this going to be like their first meeting? We'll find out.